What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV, back with more for you to see, and today we're actually going to be sitting down to talk about some of the pickups that I've recently got. I'm pretty hyped about one thing in particular, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. As some of you guys know, and well, you can see it right here, I really like tour merch. So right here is the St. Pablo, and then you got the Wyoming from Kanye West's Ye album, which I just freaking love tour merch. And the reason why I love tour merch is because, I don't know, it just kind of captures the moment and the time, you know what I mean? Like, this is from 2016, this is from 2018, so it's just like you can relate to those years and that time frame. So first things first, this isn't tour merch, but it is something that I showed in one of my videos recently. It was actually the Stranger Things hoodie, which I actually picked up from Forever 21. Shout out to Joss, who got me hooked on this show. It's all the kids going right down the street in Hawkins, so I thought that that was pretty dope. And on each sleeve it says Stranger Things, which is their logo right here. On both sides of the sleeves. Right there on the back it says the upside down, and it's kind of like a story or like kind of a line from the show. I really love the show, and I hope that it comes back this October, but how it's looking, it really won't. The reason why I love this really is because of the red and black, which is my favorite color combination, and on top of that you had this really dope picture on the front, which is really nice quality, which I'm kind of surprised with you know, Forever 21. I feel like their stuff is typically like cheaper, you know, kind of cheaply made but super expensive. And on the inside there's a little detail where it says Stranger Things, and it actually says Netflix, so I thought it was pretty cool that they had that little collaboration, but definitely picked this up and had no hesitation getting it. Alright, the next thing is actually a gift I got from Jocelyn. This right here is some Dream Crew merch from Kais Omar. I thought that this was pretty dope because it actually had every kind of sneaker that he loves collecting, and it has his 1 million subscriber plate right there in the middle. I really thought that that was dope because it's just like, that's kind of what the goal is here. That's not just the only goal, it's beyond other things, which is connecting with you guys and whatnot, but hitting 1 million subscribers was a huge mark for him. And the funny story behind me actually getting this is that I ordered 2 pieces from Kais. It was some Astroworld looking stuff, and on top of that, the other thing that I got was, it was actually a Yeezy 700 Dream Crew logo, which I thought was also dope. But I was expecting those in the mail, and I've been waiting for like, I don't know, like 3-4 weeks now. Haven't seen it. Then this popped up in the mail, and I was like, yo, I finally got the stuff. And then I opened it, I was like, yo, they kind of got the order wrong. And then I hit up Joss, and I was like, yo, they messed up my order, I'm so mad. But then eventually she told me that she actually ordered it and sent it to my house and had my name and everything like that. So I thought it was pretty dope, had all the sneakers on it. So yeah, thanks Joss. Alright, and then last but wait, hold on. Oh, excuse me, this is just my Samsung watch that I just recently got. This was also another pickup. It was just a little thing. I know you guys don't really care about it, but I got one. But last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and crack into this package, which I'm the most excited about, and this is actually some Travis Scott merch. So Travis Scott actually released his album recently, which was Astroworld, and that freaking album is absolutely amazing. This one in particular was the most expensive t-shirt they had at the time. I think $80 for this whole package deal. I actually paid $20 for this, so you guys are tired of looking at this. First things first, that I thought was one of the dopest parts about this was this right here, which is a lanyard. They included this nice little lanyard that says Astroworld, wish you were here, season pass, and then at the bottom says enjoy the ride, and it has that dope skull right there. But on the back it kind of ruins all your dreams, thinking that you had season passes or something like that special, but you don't really have access to any. So right here on the front, it's very subtle. It says Astroworld, wish you were here, enjoy the ride, with that skull riding the carousel. And then on the back, it's super big and takes up the entire back of the shirt, is that same skull with the carousel, and says the exact same thing right there on the back. The one thing I really wish I picked up was the Virgil off-white collaboration with Astroworld, and I don't even think the shirt was that expensive if I'm remembering correctly. I think it was like 40 bucks for the shirt. And for an off-white shirt, and it was tour merch, and it came with an album, I thought that it wasn't too bad of a deal, but I didn't pick it up because stripes over checks. But thanks guys for watching. That was all that I picked up recently. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Jolo2TV, out.